All right. Fourth question. Is there a vaccine to prevent whooping cough? Yes. The good news is there is a vaccine available that prevents whooping cough. It is known as the DTaP vaccine, which contains diphtheria, tetanus, and acellular pertussis. This is routinely given in infants and children. It is included in the childhood immunization schedule as recommended by the Philippine Pediatric Society, Pediatric Infectious Disease Society of the Philippines, as well as the American Academy of Pediatrics.